Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply pause a Windows 11 update. So that's pretty much it what I'm going to show you. So you want to go to the bottom. Next to the search is a start button, right click on it, and then click settings. Right here you want to go under privacy and security Windows update. And then you're gonna have like pause here, and you want to like click on it, and you can simply click pause. And if you're gonna have like arrow here, you can pause it for a longer time if you want to. So this is pretty much it, how you can pause Windows 11 updates. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.